from 5 a.m. there have been incessant rainfall, and we've been in different places showing you the ground reality. We are at the edge to show you the water level mark increasing, and now we are at Jamna Bazaar underpass. You can see the visuals. I'll request my camera person to show you the entire underpass have been completely waterlogged, completely submerged under the water, and people are facing major problems. I'll request my camera person to pan and to show you the other side. You can see how the vehicles, the three-wheelers are struggling to cross this underpass because this is heavily waterlogged. This has been very heavily submerged under the water. People are facing a lot of problems. भाई साहब, आपसे एक जानने का कोशिश करेंगे, हालत कितनी खराब है आगे की?
बहुत हालत खराब है।
बहुत खराब है। पानी कितना तक भरा हुआ है? ठीक है. So you can see that the situation is heavy and very bad here itself. You can see the visuals also that people are literally struggling to cross the very stream itself. They are literally, people are facing a lot of problems. You can see two-wheelers, four-wheelers. People are literally struggling to cross the very underpass itself, and we are showing you these exclusive visuals. We are on ground to show you how bad the situation is for the commuters, for the two-wheelers, for the four-wheelers itself. You can see the cyclists, the people who are on cycle, people who are on bikes, scooties, two-wheelers are facing major problems also because of that. बहुत दिक्कत है क्या बाहर सर? जी बिल्कुल. So you can see a car has also been stuck because of the incessant rainfall that has been happening. भैया कितनी कितनी दिक्कतें हो रही है वहाँ? ये थोड़ा कितना कितना तक पानी भरा हुआ है?
भैया गोडे गोडे पानी भरा, बहुत दिक्कत है भाई साहब, यहाँ निकलने पड़ेगी।
अगर पैर तक अगर
गोडे गोडे पानी हो रही है भाई साहब यहाँ पर।
और कितनी दिक्कत है, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा था वहां से चल के आ रहे थे, बहुत ही ज्यादा.
हाँ जी, बहुत दिक्कत है भाई साहब, यहाँ पर निकलने में भी परेशानी है।
सर आपकी भी गाड़ी बंद हो गई है. हमने आपसे भी थोड़ी देर पहले बात किया, क्या हुआ था? कहाँ से आ रहे हो आप?
मैं राजघाट से आ रहा हूँ।
राजघाट से. और कहाँ जा रहे हो?
खजूरी।
अच्छा. और मैं देख रहा हूँ गाड़ी आपकी बंद हो गई. हालत कितनी खराब है ये जल भराव की वजह से?
हाँ, काफी टाइम हो गया यहाँ पे खड़े खड़े, पानी में बंद होगी गाड़ी।
कितना देर से गाड़ी बंद है?
1 घंटा से हो गया।
कितना?
1 घंटा हो गया।
किसी को कॉल किया आपने? किसी को मदद के लिए बुलाया?
बुलाया
क्या
मालिक,
बोला उन्होंने?
मालिक को बुलाया, आ रहे हैं।
तो देखिए मैंने, you can see how bad the situation is. You can see that water logging situation has become extensively heavy, and people are facing a lot of problems because of the incessant rainfall and the water logging situation that is prevalent here itself. And we are showing you, rather we are trying to show you the very ground reality, the ground picture, how bad this entire place looks. We were at the Yamuna to show you the ground reality, and as a result of that itself, you can see the people, the two-wheelers are facing a lot of problems here itself. You can see the two-wheelers, they're trying to cross one place or the situation is, बहुत दिक्कत है सर. कितनी problems हो रही है? बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है. So you can see people are literally struggling. You can see the two-wheelers, we are trying to talk to them, we are trying to understand the fact that what the situation is, because it is visible to our eye itself. You know, it is not a hidden fact that the problems are very difficult now, and people are facing major problems because of waterlogging situation, and as a result of that itself, two-wheelers will be facing and are facing a lot of. You can see them also. आपकी बाइक बंद हो गई क्या? बंदी हो गई.
प्रॉब्लम गवर्नमेंट कुछ अपना काम नहीं कर रही है, सिर्फ दिखावा है, सिर्फ बोल वाला है जय श्री राम वाला, लेकिन काम नहीं जय श्री राम वाले.
जल भराव का जो स्थिति है कितनी खराब
खराब आप पूरी दिल्ली में चेक कर लीजिए, सरकार एक दूसरे पर तो ब्लेम लगाती है, लेकिन खुद काम कोई नहीं करती है.
बहुत खराब है. So you can see on the ground reality also, when we are, people are very frustrated because they are facing a lot of problems itself because of heavy water logging situation have been happening itself, and people because of that are facing major problems. Two-wheelers, four-wheelers are also getting stuck. You can see ahead also a van has been stuck itself, and this problem is very prevalent also because of the heavy downpour that is happening. You can see also on the left hand side, you can see the fact that there is a there is this name board also that is here, that has been falling from a car, and this underpass is seeing heavy waterlogging. You can see the Wagoner, the other cars itself, they are all struggling to cross one one place to another, and because of this, the two-wheelers, the three-wheelers, the EV vehicles, everyone is facing major problems. We are trying to show you the ground reality, how bad this entire situation look, and we will keep bringing you such ground realities, ground picture of what the underpass looks like, because people are facing major problem because of the waterlogging situation here. This is me, Brian Andrew Thomas, signing off with camera person Deepak for NewsX Delhi.